Spark plug inspection. Installation. When installing a spark plug, always refer to the shop manual to check that the new spark plug you are about to install meets the specification. Before installing a new spark plug, inspect the plug hole to make sure that an old gasket is not left there. If a new gasket is installed on top of an old one, it may lead to combustion pressure leakage. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the spark plug threads. Carefully screw in the spark plug by hand. Make sure that it is mating properly with the threading. Screw it in slowly by hand until the gasket is seated. When the cylinder head is made of aluminum, it is easy to insert a spark plug even if it's incorrectly mating with the threading. If this happens, in the worst case, the cylinder head may need to be replaced, so be extra careful. The final step is to tighten the spark plug to the specified torque using a torque wrench.